Hello everyone, welcome back to Uni Marhuri channel. Today we will talk about Lee Min-ho's life and career. Lee Min-ho is a South Korean actor, singer, and model whose name is well known to Korean lovers around the world. Lee Min-ho was born in Seoul, South Korea on June 22, 1987. As a child, Lee had hoped to become a professional football player. He was selected for the youth football class of South Korean manager and former professional player Cha Bum-kun, but an injury during his 5th grade of elementary put an end to his aspiration. In his second year of high school, Lee turned to acting. He completed majors in film and art at Konkuk University. Lee Min-ho started his career as an actor in 2003. Early in his career, Lee went by the stage name Lee Min because his agency considered his birth name too ordinary. However, because his stage name is pronounced and written in the same way as the Korean word imin, which means immigration, it makes it difficult to find him in the search results on the internet. Thus, he finally returned to using his real name. Lee has an elder sister, Lee Young-jung, who is the CEO of his current agency, MYM Entertainment. At the beginning of his career, he played a student in the drama Sharp. By the following year, he again got a chance to play in the drama named Nonstop 5 and Recipe of Love. His official debut role was in an EBS series Secret Campus on 2003. In 2006, his acting career had to be suspended for a year after having a serious car accident while riding with fellow actor Jung Il-woo. Lee was seriously injured and spent several months lying in bed. Upon recovery, Lee received his first leading role in the high school drama Mackerel Run in 2007. In 2008, he appeared in various roles on television dramas Get Up and I Am Sam, and he received offers to play in 2 movies titled Public's Enemies Returns and Our School's E.T. In 2009, he initially gained widespread fame in Korea and certain parts of Asia with his role as Go Jun-pyo in Boys Over Flowers, which gained him many endorsement deals and created another Korean wave throughout Asia, which made Lee a Hallyu star, which also earned him the Best New Actor award at the 45th Baeksang Arts Awards. In 2010, Lee starred in romantic comedy Personal Taste with Son Ye-jin. Apart from playing the main character in Boys Over Flowers, he also gained fame for his roles in City Hunter in 2011 with Park Min-young, The Ears in 2013 with Park Shin-hye, and Legion of the Blue Sea in 2016 with Jun Ji-yeon. Lee Min-ho's media influence. As of October 2020, Lee has over 3 million followers on Twitter, 20 million followers on Weibo, and 20 million on both Instagram and Facebook. In 2014 and 2015, Lee topped an online poll organized by a Chinese entertainment magazine to be crowned as the Asian Male God. In 2017, Lee was chosen as the most favored Korean actor by fans of the Korean wave in the United States. Hollywood Magazine reported that Lee has attained superstar status. He is referred to as the global actor by media and fans. International Business Times described Lee as the heartthrob of billions. He is the first Korean celebrity to garner 20 million followers on Facebook and Instagram. With a combined total of 65 million followers, he is referred to as the king of social media. According to Celebrity Net Worth, the net worth of Lee Min-ho is whopping $10 million. It claimed to be paid about $58,700 for any role in the drama. In reality, the 33-year-old is one of the most expensive actors in his birthplace. In 2017, Lee Min-ho began his mandatory military service in May 12, 2017. He was discharged on April 25, 2019. In 2019, Lee was cast alongside with Kim Go-eun in a romantic comedy drama The King Eternal Monarch. It hailed one of the most anticipated series in the first half of 2020, serving as Lee's first comeback series following his release from mandatory military service. In 2020, Lee was casted as the main lead for Apple series Pachinko, its epic international drama series based on Min Jin Lee's best-selling novel. The story begins with a forbidden love and crescendos into a sweeping saga that journeys between Korea, Japan, and America to tell the unforgettable story of the war and peace, love and loss, triumph and reckoning. The series will be told in 3 languages, Korean, Japanese, and English. For our next video, we will tackle about Lee Min-ho's girlfriends. Keep watching, please click subscribe and share. Thank you!